I just earned my first Skool community member using Facebook ads, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did step by step. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I've generated hundreds of thousands of dollars online with affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and my YouTube channels, and I want to show you how to get started both legally and ethically and responsibly. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, I just earned my first new enrollee using Facebook ads, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through this process step by step. It can be a little bit intimidating, it can be a little bit overwhelming, and so I'm gonna try and make this as simple for you as possible. Now, if you are looking to get started with your Skool community, I'm gonna put a link to the 14-day free trial to help you get started. And as a added bonus, if you use my link to get started, I'll actually work with you one-on-one to help you build your community. So the first thing that you need to do, this is my paid Skool community, YouTube Affiliates Academy. It actually helps people get started with affiliate marketing on YouTube. The first thing that you need to do, obviously, is to create your community. Without your community, you won't be able to get this up and running. I do want to show you my Facebook ad here. As you can see, it says Skool YouTube Affiliates Campaign. I've got one website purchase, that is the enrollee, and I'm spending about $10 per day. We're going to get into that in just a moment, but I want to help you set everything up the right way first. So the first thing, obviously, you're going to have your own community. What you need to do next is go to settings and then go down to plugins, and then you need to connect your Meta Pixel. In order to do that, you have to have a Facebook ads account. So what you're going to do is you're going to press edit. For yours, it's going to be turned off. You're going to want to turn that on. You're going to have to put in your Facebook Pixel ID, and then you're going to have to connect one more thing. And let me show you how to do that really quick. All right, so what you're going to need to do is click on all tools. Now yours, it might look a little bit different. That's fine. It's going to be pretty close. You're going to click on Events Manager. All right, so once you click on Events Manager, you are going to click where it says the pixel name, and then you are going to go over to settings. Once you click on settings, you are going to scroll down to where it says conversion API, and you're going to click on generate access token, and then you're going to walk through the steps. Now, I don't want to show you the steps because you can do it. Make sure that you have purchases checked or turned on so that it can track the purchases. You're going to then copy the access token, and you are going to place it in this one spot here where it says API or access token. Click save, and then you're going to get a green connected that shows that it works. So that's the foundation. That's the background of what you're going to have to do. Now, once you have that, you're going to simply go and create a Facebook ad. And to do that, you are going to go back over to Facebook, go to Ads Manager. And what I actually did in order to give myself the best chance to succeed with this is I actually made video content. And I'll show you the videos that I created. They're real simple. I actually did whiteboard videos showing people the benefits of using YouTube for affiliate marketing. As you can see, I got one website purchase. I started this actually on April 22nd, and I just got my first one yesterday on the 27th. So not bad. I've spent what, $10, $20, $30 before I got my first sale, which, you know, hopefully we get that down a little bit because this is a monthly recurring revenue type of thing. The one person that enrolled would have to be enrolled for maybe like 5 months before I break even. And so we certainly want to get that down. But let's go ahead and I'll show you exactly what I did to set this up. I clicked on create. I did a sales campaign, clicked continue, and I actually did the Advantage Plus shopping campaign. Click continue. And the cool thing with the Advantage Plus shopping campaign is basically it's like training wheels, okay? Facebook takes away all of the heavy lifting. It makes it really simple for you so that you can just get up and running, okay? The reason you want to use, at least in my opinion, the Facebook Plus shopping campaign is because Facebook knows so much about its customers, right? Facebook has thousands, if not millions of data points on each one of their viewers. And so they can pinpoint who's going to be the best for this offer. And so just to go through here, no category selected. If your offer falls into one of these four, that's fine. Maximize goal, number of conversions, add your pixel, of course, choose app. We don't need to choose an app. We can just keep scrolling. And then the one thing that I did add is I added the big five: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand to the countries. And then I set my daily budget to $10 per day, no end date, and then I clicked next. Next, you're going to basically just create your ads. Now, what you've got to do here is put your link to your Skool community right here in the website URL. And then for the headline, I just made a very simple headline. For $8 per month, you're going to learn how to earn affiliate commissions with you. It was a real simple ad. But what I did to make it more appealing, I think, is I had a video, and the video was a whiteboard talking about 3 reasons why you should use YouTube for affiliate marketing. If we take a look at this, I'll show you the exact ad that I used. If you're able to see it, I have 3 versions essentially of the ad. As you can see here, I am going to advanced preview this one right here, and you can actually look at this for yourself in the Facebook ads library. Just search Alston Godbolt Reel and you'll be able to see it. But as you can see, for $8 a month, you can get access to a community to earn affiliate commissions responsible for helping me earn commissions. Not a great headline, but it works. But if you look at this, this is what I'm doing. I have stopped posting on TikTok if you want to earn affiliate commissions. That's a common thing that people have been telling other affiliate marketers to do. If they want to earn commissions, they've got to sing and they've got to dance. And then another one that I had was 3 reasons why YouTube is still the best place for affiliate marketing. And I wrote down notes on a simple whiteboard, and you could do this. I use my iPad to do it, but you could essentially do this with an online whiteboard. And hopefully, as I continue to let this run for another 5 or 6 days, A, I get more sales, and B, the algorithm finds more people that will be interested in this type of affiliate marketing. And once you have everything set up, you're simply just going to click publish, and it takes probably maybe 2 hours, 3 hours to get your ad approved. Once it's approved, you will actually get up and running. So I was really excited that this actually did work. I got the idea for someone named Evelyn Weiss. She's really big over in Skool to run Facebook ads. I wanted to make sure that I tested that out myself, but this actually does really work, which is really cool. Hopefully, best case scenario, this becomes a little bit more profitable and I can make even more money, and I can share some different tips and tricks with you. One thing that I did try is I tried to do this without using the Advantage Plus campaign to do the manual setup, and I found a little bit more success with the other way. So guys, let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, but you can absolutely do this with Skool, running traffic directly from Facebook ads to your Skool community. It's something that anybody can do. And again, if you want to get started with your Skool community using my affiliate link, I do have a bonus of working with me one-on-one to help launch your community. Now that you know how to run Facebook ads to your Skool community, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.